Okay, so this is my quick and dirty video. We decided to not use the new camera yet because we're a little challenged with it. So this is the entry tires. So you can see the tread on that. The wheels all nice and clean. We put these buffers on because we've hit our heads on the edges of these slide outs often enough. This is what came with the unit for a outdoor entertainment system. It's a TV and a stereo, both work. Okay, sweetie, we can keep going. Go ahead and put it back in. It kind of folds back and slides in just like that. Today he's Vanna White. Okay, next one's a really big compartment. In some of these models they had like an outdoor kitchen in that. This particular model has it just as storage space. He installed this brand new LG TV. How big is that, sweetie?
32 inch.
32 inch. And it goes from that corner all the way back into there, and there's another door to get to that one. This is our watchdog. And this is the other edge of that storage. It, as you can see, is continuous, which makes it really handy for us. We haven't named this guy yet. Okay, so this is the other unit. And we have got it so stuffed with stuff it's hard to see. You said it goes all the way through there, sweetie?
Yep.
So if you got a ladder or something you want to stick in there, you can. This is the next storage area. It goes all way far back there underneath. So once again, you've got long storage. You can see how it opens up into other areas. Next wheel, tire. They're all the same year. Okay, babe.
This is where our ECU is.
What's the ECU?
And that's to check for problems.
So this is like a little compartment, lined. That goes back into there. Those are some extra diesel cans for if you want to carry extra diesel. The listing that we posted online has the original manufacturer's sheet on it for this Providence that shows all the tankage capacity. So if you want to refer that, that's there. Here's just an extra little storage compartment.
Propane.
You can stick, oh, here's the propane hookup.
Yep.
For them to fill your propane. Okay, here you said he was interested in the diesel. This is the back of it. It's a 360 horsepower. Obviously radiator in the back. Cooling system. transmission, engine oil check, and engine oil fill. And what is that little one up there, sweetie pie?
A reservoir.
A reservoir for the cooling, or?
Yeah.
Okay. As you can see, everything operates easily. Nothing's broke. Okay, now going around the back, these are
Brand new house AGM batteries. Were purchased less than a year ago. That's the air filter.
air filter. The other side of the engine, obviously. Oh, that's interesting. Back in there and over there. Hopefully he finds that interesting. We call professionals to do any work on our unit that needs to be done. Okay, this is the inverter, all kinds of cord, so you can get pretty far away.
Brand new start and run batteries.
And
3
we
weeks
just-
ago.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago we got those. Another tire and wheel. Once again, no rust, no nothing. It's in excellent shape. It's beautiful, and it's the original. This girl's been well taken care of.
Water closet.
Hot and cold sprinkler if you want to wash your dog or something like that. This is more
Another storage.
We keep extra hose and gloves and whatever in here. Bucket, obviously.
For the stinky winky.
Stinky winky stuff.
Another large storage compartment.
Yep. And it's continuous into the next one. Which is there. And over into there. Next wheel. Scan still. These are all Michelins, all the same type. It's another compartment. We store a pressure washer in it.
Which goes with the unit.
Is this the exhaust for the
Generator.
generator? Right there, down there. We have these extra shades that we purchased to help keep everything in excellent shape. That's how easy access to the generator is. It's a Onan Quiet 8000. Windshield washer, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Everything's nice and neat in there. It's my dog barking. Sun guards are like that we have put on here are about a year old now.
Yep.
And that's good, sweetie. and we're back to the beginning.